This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
Before you send your statements out, you need to set up and configure your invoice, which you can do through your organizational config here. You enter your, this is all data that will go onto your invoice. So you enter your stable name, whatever your ABN is, your website. How you want your invoices to be done. So you could say Prism Demo PD, email, mobile, phone number. Whatever it is. And then if you want to add any attachments like your terms and conditions or anything like that, you can do that here. The other thing too is you can add a logo, add your logo here. Enter all the information, add your terms and conditions. And then payment note down here is add any items that you want to have in there in terms of payments. So you could say EFT payments to BSB and whatever the case may be. You can then preview that here. Make sure that you check to see if you've got pop-ups blocked. If it is, you can just turn them on. Try again. So you see here, this is where all of your header goes in. There's a statement, your the sample owner section, the date, all of the data down there. You'll also see when you sign up for Prism Payments, there'll be a big green Pay Now button here that allows credit card payments, direct debit and all that sort of stuff. Once you're happy with it, save it, and then you're ready to create an invoice.